He just pulled over. Let's go play it on this. Alright, this is the 4th time I've seen that damn blue car. FCN 182 is the plate. There it is. This is like the 5th time around town I've seen this vehicle. 3 times on that road where you see that blue car taking a right there. 3 times I saw her on that road. Now, there is a gray truck behind that white vehicle that has flashed its lights at me at least once. Nobody's gotten out of it. That's their second pass in less than 2 minutes. Now that gray truck that I talked to you about having its headlights on, well, the minute I started up my engine, I saw their lights flash on and off again. Okay, so my evaporator has been giving me all sorts of problems. I just bought a new evaporator. Now, this is from the old evaporator, this part here, but this is from the new one. This is the one I just got. You can see it's got a whole bunch of white shit in it. Like, what the fuck is that? I have no idea. It smells like a dead cat, and it looks like somebody put a bunch of drywall through it. In any case, the fact is that I got tired of cleaning this thing out. I decided to use this one here. This is from my old one. This is the old evaporator. This is all the old evaporator. This is the evaporator I just bought. Check this shit out. It's like pretty much brand new. Well, except for a little bit there, but I mean, like, it's pretty much brand new. Once I reseal it, it'll be beautiful. I mean, look at this. It's pretty much brand new. Compared to the old one, here's the old one, right here. You can see, nowhere near nice as looking. This is the old spring. I actually found out this spring is actually weaker than this spring, which is actually going in there. Now, originally there was this guy here in underneath here. Okay, it goes underneath there. Now, this guy is actually supposed to go with this spring. After I checked out the MCO lines, I found out that the silver spring goes with the silver spring. The blue spring in here, which was originally in there, I've put in here now because the blue spring goes with the blue spring. You can see, this is actually a tighter spring than this one. So, the fact is that this one is a little bit harder, and you can see also on this, the 2 cover screws here, somebody cut them off before they sold it to me. On the new one here, cover screws are still good, so I put in the cover screws from the old one into the old one here because this one was set up to fail on me. This is how I know, that right there. Those cover screws were cut, this has been set up to fail. The fact is that they mixed the silver spring with the blue spring, and it's not supposed to be that way. It's supposed to be the blue spring in here, the blue spring up here. And so that's what I've done. I have taken 2 fucked up evaporators and made one really good one, that's the way it's supposed to be built, out of them. So I just wanted to note this because as I put this thing together, I've just put these pieces on, I've put this on, you can see this is actually fresh still. I haven't even had a chance to properly seal it up yet. The fact is that I just wanted to show you all what is going on here, because this evaporator's been fucked around with, and now the evaporator I just bought has been fucked around with. Both of them have been fucked around with in different ways. So I get one full, complete evaporator out of the deal the way it's supposed to be. Oh, look, a banana. I mean, this guy was doing 80 in a 70 zone right up till he hit the highway. Now he won't do past 90.
And in today's news, global warming has caused the Earth to raise another 2 degrees Celsius this year. Our question to the viewers today is, how can we cause global warming to stop?
Okay, strange dude I don't recognize at all has pulled up and is talking to my dad. New Brunswick plates. I recognize these plates as somebody who is following us. Now what the fuck is going on?
Okay, so notice that's 65,078, just turning on to the 8. Okay, the gas tank was completely empty before I put that 20-pounder in, and I can only put half of it in the first place, so that's only 10 pounds, that's only 10 liters of fuel. Okay, now I'm gonna turn this thing over. Now, the gas tank shouldn't go up at all. Oh, that's a nice start. Alright, so we're gonna see how many kilometers we get out of this tank, out of 10 liters. And that should tell us what our fuel mileage is right now.
Restrictions.